Hey YouTube, we are going to finally finish working on the door today. I need to do some research to find out how to get the trim on there because there is this space here and it's not flush with the drywall. I need to build it out, and over here I just have too much foam. So I'm guessing I have to cut this back and also build out this side so it's flush and get trim on there. Done with research. I am mostly following Vancouver Carpenter. It looks like I need a Jamb extension. Pretty easy shopping list. I'm going to go to Home Depot and have them mix that paint for us and pick up a few things. Here are the goodies. The video said to cut my own jab extensions, but I still can't really cut very straight. But I think these will work for the space we're working with. Very lucky that all around should fit this 3/4 square dowel. Going to clean up the foam first. I have all the insulating foam trimmed off. Going to cut these dowels into pieces where I could start using the brad nail gun to get them in place. All done with the Jamb extension. I have it with a little bit of overlap here. It's definitely not perfect, but we just need something here so I could get the molding on there. I'm actually going to go in the garage and reuse some crown molding. Those were the ones I took off and they're still intact. I have removed all the nails from the old trim we were reusing. It doesn't look the best, but if I could save a few bucks, then let's save a few bucks. I also sanded it down a little bit, going to bring these inside and get them installed. I think we got pretty lucky that the old trim fits into the space. I need to figure out what to do about this gap up here. I think the new door is a little bit taller. I'm going to try and fill that with some sheetrock. The drywall mud has set. It's looking pretty good after some sanding. I still have to paint, but I have plenty of painting videos, so I'm not going to film that. The corners are looking pretty good. Overall, very happy with it. Video 46 done. My wife is complaining about all the tools in our kitchen, so I need to clean this up.